Guys, what's going on? My name is Louis, and God bless to every single one of you. Today is April 15, 2026, and welcome to the Real GS News channel. So we have multiple breaking news coming out. We're going to start with this one first. Russia sends WW3 threat to strike 11 countries. Once again, the bear has sent a threat to the UK again. Here's another one. You have Putin sparks fresh WW3 fears with deadly strike as NATO fighter jets scrambled. Now the bear attack reportedly took out a young one. Wow. Alright, so we're going to see what's going on here, guys. Once again, the Europeans, Ukraine, the bear. This again, there's still some stuff going on there, guys. Those biblical war been going on for over 4 years, and I know everybody's paying attention to the Mid East, but yeah, don't forget, way up north, you still got Ukraine and Russia. All right, guys. Before I start, for those of you that want to send us letters or prayer requests, you can send it to me, Louis Santiago, or my wife, Jessica Santiago, at 3432 US Highway 19, number 2, Holiday, Florida, 34691. And for those of you that want to contribute to the channel, we do have the Cash App link and the PayPal link in the comments box and also description box. Once again, thank you so much for your support. Do me a favor, guys, make sure you hit that hype button as well as the like button. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So you have the alliance. NATO member state was forced to scramble 2 F-16 fighter jets overnight and place its air defense system into firing position as the bear rained hell on Ukraine once again. The bear strike across Ukraine in the past 24 hours included renewed strike on Odessa region ports on the river Danube, just half a mile from Romania. And Romania is also a member of NATO. Emergency alerts were sent out across northern part of Tulsia just after 3:45 a.m. local time on Tuesday and ended about an hour later. Tulsia is directly across the border from the Ukrainian port of Izmail, bordered by the river Danube. Now, the country Ministry of Defense said 2 F-16 aircraft of the Romanian Air Force from the Air Police Combat Service took off from the 86th Air Base in Festesti, and the air defense system were put into firing positions. Once again, these are the 2 F-16 fighter jets were scrambled. It says here, within a few hours, another group of drones was detected moving towards Izmail, Ukraine, and a new RO alert message was sent at 5:08 a.m. Now, the Gov confirmed that none of the bear drones breached Romanian airspace. Ukrainian authorities said the bear massively struck civilian and port infrastructure, damaging facility at Izmail and a Panamanian flagged ship, and there were no casualty. Wow. That's a good thing, though, no casualty, but things are still escalating between the bear and Crane. Now, it says here the Gov of Odessa confirmed 2 buses, a service station, 6 homes, and 7 cars were hit, as well as a Liberian flagged ship. Earlier, the bear struck has taken 5 and injured 27 in Dnipro. Harrowing scenes showed many with injuries, shrapnel wounds, lacerations, and fractures on the street in Ukrainian city. That is brutal. An emergency worker was seen assisting a civilian woman, 54, saying just an ordinary civilian woman, nothing military. Film it, her legs torn. These biblical wars are brutal. The woman said it's been, bad. It's bad. I can't feel my legs. 3 more were then wounded in the subsequent strike on Dnipro. Separately, Zelensky home city was under savage strike from Putin's forces, hit by a giant mushroom flame. Ukraine's second city, Kharkiv, was also hit by 6 aerial bombs at the Penchenehin Dam in the Kharkiv region. Wow. So once again, that's the first news there, guys. Vladimir sparks fresh World War III fears with deadly strike as NATO fighter jets scrambled. So once again, we are definitely seeing some more Crane and the Bear still going at it. Now we're going to go with this next news here. Man, all right, so that picture just popped out of nowhere. All right, so the Bear sends WW3 warning to strike 11 countries. And it says here, sleep well. The Bear has sent a message to the UK again. Wow. Once again, Vladimir. So it says here, the Bear made a direct message to strike British targets in London, Leicester, and Suffolk, Norwich. It says here, today, April the 15th, 2026, the Bear Leader Defense Ministry issued locations of what it alleges are production facilities supplying the Ukrainian armed forces with military equipment used to strike the Bear territory. 3 of the addresses are in England, one of which is at the location of an American air base. Others are in multiple European countries. Now, senior Kremlin officials and former the Bear president Dmitry cautioned Western leaders that the warning should be taken literally. The list of European facilities which makes drones and other equipment is a list of potential target for the Bear armed forces, he warned. Now, when strike became a reality depends on what comes next. Sleep well, European partners. Now, Dmitry is Vladimir's second in command on the Bear Security Council. The list specifies what appears to be Ukrainian missile maker Firepoint with an alleged address in the Modern Hall, Suffolk, which is also the location of RAF Base. It operates as a key U.S. Air Force hub. So it's a very important location. Very important. It says here the alleged addresses in London and Leicester were also given. The leadership of several European countries, amid mounting losses and a worsening shortage of manpower and Ukrainian armed forces, decided to increase the production and supply of UAVs to Ukraine for strike on Russian territory, said the Russian Defense Ministry. A significant increase in UAV production for the Kiev regime is planned through increased funding for Ukrainian and joint enterprises located in a European country that produce strike drones and their components. Now, the ministry said, we regard this decision as a deliberate step leading to a sharp escalation of the military political situation throughout Europe and the creeping transformation of these countries into Ukraine's strategic rear area. It warned that the terror attack against the Bear could lead to unpredictable consequences. The Bear Defense Ministry also named alleged production facility in Germany, Denmark, the Netherlands, Latvia, Lithuania, Poland, the Czech Republic, Spain, Italy, the Holy Land, and Turkey. Wow, the Holy Land. So these are the 11 territories. So these are the 11 territory. So you have three big ones. I mean, you got multiple ones. Number one is Holy Land, and then you have Turkey, Poland, Germany. These are some big territories here. Big ones. Now, the Bear and British expert called it an important and long overdue warning from the Bear Ministry of Defense. Now, the Bear TV host recently said the Bears should not be afraid of carrying out strike in the UK, Norway, Germany, and Romania, as factories manufacturing arms for Ukraine are based in those countries. Yeah, but here's the thing. If you strike, let's say you strike Germany or Romania or something like that, again, those are NATO alliance. So they could activate Article 5, and that would be game on. Again, that would be like WWE3 stuff there. That's the reason why the Bear hasn't struck those territory. The biblical war is for a long time. Right now, no one has the slightest doubt that no one will allow us to simply get out of this biblical war in Ukraine until we start acting totally differently, he said. Now, he also added, who needs a process when a country is at a biblical war? We clearly know that the Europeans are manufacturing all that is taking our guys on the front lines. And what are we afraid of? Carrying out strike in the UK, Norway, Germany, and Romania, where these factories are located. Now, these are Ukrainian factories. And will they send their armies to fight us? Now, he also said, Solovov also added that only after striking those countries we'll look at you differently. All right, so once again, that's a very important message by the former leader of the Bear, Dmitry. The former leader of the Bear. Alright, so that's going to be all the information for those two countries there, guys. But we are definitely witnessing some stuff happening right in front of our faces. We are seeing it, we are living it, and we are witnessing Bible prophecy when it comes to war. Look at this one here. Whoops, let me just open this up really quick. Boom, the Bear launched 349 drones and 20 missiles at Ukraine in daytime. We just talked about that. We literally just talked about that. The Bear launched 349 drones and 20 missiles at targets in Ukraine in a daytime strike, the Ukrainian Air Force says. And boy, oh boy, we are definitely seeing the consequences. We are definitely seeing the result of all this happening. Many innocents were impacted. Anyway, guys, I'm just gonna end it here. I do have some more videos coming up. We are definitely seeing some war still rising way up north, Ukraine, European, and all them, Russia. I mean, we are definitely seeing some stuff still happening there. Do not fall asleep in that region, guys. All this plays a huge role of Bible prophecy. Thank you so much for watching, guys. For those of you that want to send us letters or prayer requests, you can send it to me, US Santiago, or my wife, Jessica Santiago, at 3432 US Highway 19, number 2, Holiday, Florida, 34691. Once again, guys, $5 a month Patreon. We get you access to our live stream. We go live once a week. We talk about things that we cannot talk about on the platform. Also, I posted videos today. Those links will be in the comments box. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you all. Faith and trust in Jesus Christ, for he's the only way, the truth, and the life. No one gets to the Father except through Jesus. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time later. Peace.